Alright, for the quiz 4 review here, first of all, you'll need to add the following two numbers in expanded form. So here, it's fine if you want to go ahead and just add like normal first of all. So if you add those two numbers there, you should get 871. Like normal, you'll be able to use a calculator, so you can double check your answers. But then to write it in expanded form, remember, means we have to separate it based on those place values and write it out with those powers of 10. So here, for instance, we'd write that as 8 times 10 to the second power plus second power because it's in the hundreds place, and 10 to the second power equals 100. And then 7 times 10 to the first. So we're in the tens place there, plus, and then the 1 is in the ones place, so it'd be 1 times 10 to the 0 power. Remember, any number to the 0 power is equal to 1. So then this would be your final answer here in expanded form. And like normal, make sure if you have questions on any of this stuff, make sure you're coming in and asking before the quiz. Next one here, we need to convert this number to decimal form, and we're starting in base 4 here. So if we're starting in the base and going to decimal form, that's one where you're doing the multiplication, similar to the expanded form. If it's the other way around, if you're converting to a certain base from your decimal form, that's whenever you do the repeated division. So you'll want to make sure you know the difference between those. In this quiz, we'll have it go in this direction, but on the test, you'll have to do it both ways once we get to the unit test. So make sure you know the difference. So here we'd have 1 times, and then our base here, in this case, is base 4. So we'd have it times 4, 2, and then to figure out the exponents, here the exponents, we're going to have an exponent of 0, 1, 2, and then so on. We'd have an exponent of 3, 4, 5, so on for those exponents, depending on what place value those are in. So here we'd have 1 times 4 to the second power there, so that's in the hundreds place, plus, and then 3 times, and then our base was 4 once again, to the first power, plus the 2 times 4 to the 0 power. So remember those exponents there, you start with 0 in the ones place for the exponent, and then increase the exponent as you go further to the left. And then it's just a matter of entering that into your calculator to get that answer, or if you can do it by hand, you can certainly do it that way as well. If you calculate that out, if you do it correctly here, looks like you should get 30 for your answer. And then the next two here are related to your metric system stuff. So I'm going to write right above number 3 here what those prefixes are again to help you remember how to convert these. And it may be a good idea, especially if you're not very good with the metric system, to write this out at the top of your quiz whenever you get it, and also whenever we take the test, to help you remember how many place values to move over for each of these. So our prefixes, we had kilo, we had hecto, we have deca, and then we've got our base unit, which could be meters, could be grams, could be liters, any of the units that we have for the metric system, just whatever that base unit is. And then we have deci, and centa, and milla. Remember, in terms of the letters here, kilo, we have it starts with a K, starts with an H for hecto. We have DA is how it starts out for deca. The base unit is just whatever that unit is. I'm just going to write unit once again, whatever that unit is. No prefix on it. desa is just a D instead of the DA like deca. And then we have centa and milla. So that's what letters those will start with if they're written out in terms of symbols instead of words. So this first one here for number 3, we want how many centimeters are in 5.2 meters. So in this case, we're going from centa, so I'm going to change colors here. We're going from centa to our unit of meters. So we are going 2 units to the left. So remember, if you're going to the left there, that means you're also moving that decimal point there to the left. And then here, let's see, so that would be going from centimeters to meters. But in this case, looks like we're actually given it in terms of 5.2 meters. So if we're starting at the meters instead, we're starting at the units here. And then we're going over to the centimeters. So it does make a difference what order those are written in, which one you're given. So in this case, we were given the meters and we're trying to get to the centimeters. So we're starting at the 5.2 meters, write it in blue this time, and we are trying to convert to centimeters. So we're really starting at our base unit and then really going to the right 2 places to go to centimeters. If it was written the other way, if we started with 5.2 centimeters instead of meters, then we'd be going to the left instead. So make sure you look to see which one is given to you and which one you're trying to solve for. So in this case here, you should get a total of 520 centimeters, which should make sense here because remember, whenever we're dealing with these units of measurement, the centimeters is a smaller unit of measurement, which means there's a whole bunch of those centimeters. In fact, 100 centimeters in every meter. That's another way you can think of it there. So 5.2 meters, which is what we started with here, would be 520 centimeters. And if you're going the other way around, you would move the decimal to the left instead of to the right. And then the other one is kilograms to milligrams. Let's see. And in this case, the one that was given to us was the milligrams. So here in this case, try and change back to the black here. So we're starting at the milligrams this time, because that's what's given to us. And then we're going to the kilograms. So we have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the left to go from our milligrams here to get to the kilograms. So here in this case, we'd have 25 that we started with, but then we have to move that decimal point to the left 6 places. So remember, if it doesn't appear to be a decimal point at first, if it's a whole number, that really means the decimal point is behind that last digit, the ones digit. You have to move that decimal point to the left 6 places. So if you move it 2 places, you get in front of the 2, which means then the other 4 digits that are left to move over are going to be zeros. So here you're going to end up with 0.0000025 kilograms. So very, very small amount in terms of kilograms there. So make sure that you are moving those decimal places the correct direction, depending on which one's actually given to you. It's not necessarily in terms of the order that they're written in the problem, but which one's given to you. And then make sure you're also converting it the correct number of places there and move the decimal point correctly. And if you have questions, make sure to ask like normal.